students, welcome to Modern Web's World. Today we'll study about school management software, like everything related to this software we'll study here. In case if you have any kind of problem while operating this software, I'll teach you each and everything regarding this software. So start from base. First, you need to visit this website through this website, and after that you just need to click on software and then click on school management software. In this video we'll study about how to create a company, how to create a school. So on clicking this link, you'll see the detailed structure of school management system. There is a download demo option through which you can download the demo version, and then you can use at least for 7 to 8 days. And if you are just like familiar with this software, then you can use and use this software according to your requirement. First, I'll tell you that what we are providing in this software. We are just like providing admission inquiry. If you have any kind of an admission inquiry, definitely in a school there is a lot of admission inquiries, so that you can store the students data in this field. You can just like you just need to fill the form of admission, and then this data is also stored in this field. Then we have a facility of fees management, transport management, library management, and the last is examination evolution. And apart from this, there is a lot of thing in this. And if you're talking about the pricing, you can check the different options. If you want to take basic edition, then you need to pay for this much, standard for this, and pro edition you need to pay this, and premier edition you need to pay this. And after you just need to click on the download demo, and then you just need to fill a small form, and after that you will get a link of this software. I have already downloaded this link, so I'll directly go to my download section. After downloading the link, after downloading the software, you will get this zip file, and you first just need to extract this file, and then you will get this folder. And then just click on just double click on this link, and you will get a step-by-step solution, like step-by-step installation procedure. And then just complete this procedure, and then after that you will get the desktop icon like this, iGenius 2.0. Okay. After that, you just need to click on continue button, and you'll see that this page is displayed on the screen. And first you need to create your school detail. After clicking the here, I just click create a new company. I'm just giving you demo regarding this, how to create a school detail. Like I'm just writing random school name, Sharda Mandir School. Okay, and after that you just need to put your proper address, like Panji. City is also Panji. Pin code 4340323521, and it belongs to India. State is Goa. And then click on enter. Just make sure you just have to use enter button instead of tab, so that you can use the software properly. You just need to enter the mobile number, and then phone number if you have, and then email ID. Suppose I'm just writing randomly, and then if you have a website, then you just need to write the website here. Session, if your school is just like on novice, just like a new, that means you need to enter one first session here, engineer name, and Alka, contact number to enter. Then click on enter. Just make sure you need to enter all the time instead of tab. Okay. And after that, date format is must be Indian, and session, school session is 23 to 24. Okay. And this is your username and password, and then create company you just need to click on. After that, this dialog box is available here, and then you need to enter one as a username and one as a password, and then click on enter button. Now you can see that the dashboard is available on your screen is of your school, that is Sharda Mandir School. Okay, and after that, in this video we have just learned about how to create a school, like how to create a company, we can also say that. And after that we'll discuss about like if any kind of student inquired in our in our school, then how to fill the inquiry form, how to fill the student admission form, what do you understand by attendance, banking structure, payments, quick payment, like if you have any kind of quick payment, then you can directly add here. If you want to create certificates, library details, timetable, everything will study here one by one. Till then, just you try to download the software and try to use and access this software. And if you have any kind of problem, then you can easily and feel free to ask anything about this software. Thank you.